In this video, we show how to replace an EDSFF drive backplane in a PowerEdge R570. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. To remove the EDSFF drive backplane with the cover, air shrouds, fan cage assembly, as well as the drive backplane cover and any installed drives removed, disconnect the data and power cables from the HPM and unroute them. With everything disconnected and unrouted, loosen the captive screw that secures the backplane in place, slide it forward, and then lift it up out of its slot. To install the EDSFF drive backplane, align and lower into the system, and then slide it backwards, and then tighten the captive screw to secure it in place. And then reroute and connect the data cables. Connecting power. For more information or assistance about the PowerEdge R570, visit dell.com/support.